welcome to the 9 at 9 show, where I share with you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. Today we're going to talk about 9 different types of funnels, prepositions, am I right? That I love, okay? Number 1 is called an opt-in funnel. This is especially important when it comes to list building. What you do is you build up a funnel where they give you their information, typically an email address, in exchange for free information or something small but still valuable. An ebook, free training, something like that. It is amazing for building your email list. Number 2 is a sales funnel. This can take a lot of different forms, but essentially this funnel is to make a sale, okay? You pre-frame them, or it's called a bridging page, whatever. You sell them on a sales page, typically with a lot of copy. Then you can go ahead and sell them on an order form page on the next one, okay? Number 3 is a membership funnel, where again, you can hook this up to the back end of a webinar funnel, where you sell a webinar and you're like, cool, now come into the membership. But typically a membership funnel is just a sign up / login page with an actual membership thing on the back end. I love membership funnels. I love the ability to package up information, sell it at scale. I think it's incredible, okay? Again, that also is kind of coupled with a webinar funnel that can sell on the back end. Now, number 4, a cancellation funnel. This is awesome funnels for when somebody tries to cancel. You can actually downsell them with an offer for them to try and stay in your world, okay? Number 5, an application funnel, where you're not actually selling them something, but you give them an opportunity for them to sell you. They apply to work with you. They apply to be inside of your programs. Number 6 is an event funnel, where you're actually selling tickets to an in-person or an online event. There's a specific structure for this. Number 7 is an indoctrination funnel, okay? This typically happens after somebody's opted in, or they're waiting for a webinar, or that's really what happens. Or when you're trying to literally indoctrinate them to some sort of philosophy that you're teaching. Typically what this looks like, there's a screen, there's like 4 videos up front, on the top, and every single day they're given a new video, again, to indoctrinate them and prepare them for the training that they are about to see. Number 8 is a free plus shipping funnel. This works really, really well with books, is what we see it with most often, where they pay a shipping price, they get everything for free, but then on the back end, you sell them with one-time offers to, even though they are going in for a free book, you end up making a lot of money in the back end. Finally, one of my favorites is called a scheduler funnel. If you want to check out what that looks like in my world, literally go to interviewkathryn.com and you'll see how you can actually automate and funnelize this whole process of setting up appointments and meetings. But those are 9 of my favorite types of funnels. If you want to learn more about how to build these, what they look like, how they can work for you and your business, come hang out with us inside our free Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. See you there.